back to my channel for today's video. I am going to be bringing you guys around with me because I have a couple of self-care things that I'm going to be doing. Well, not self-care, some of them necessary, like I need to do my hair. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subbies, so I'd really appreciate your support, and let me know in the comments below if you've been enjoying my content. So yeah, I am on my way to do my hair. I'm gonna be doing knotless braids because I have a wedding coming up, and also just because I want, you know, to kind of do a different thing for the Christmas. And I'm going to be doing my nails as well. So my appointment is for 10 for my hair. It's now 9:47. So yeah, I'm just on my way there. My hairstylist is in Halfway Tree, so I'm traveling to Halfway Tree, and then I'm gonna be going to Adam and Eve. That's where I do my nails. I'm gonna pick up back with you guys when I reach. So it's gonna be just a pretty simple, well, not simple day, but it's Saturday, December 4. I'll put the right date. I think it's the 7th, the 6th. I don't know my days, but anyway, it's a Saturday. I'm getting like big knotless braids. I want it like big and jumbo and just kind of like messy looking, but we'll see. I just know I want it really, really long. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. Hi. Me not have any cash on me. Yeah, man. Yeah, I don't really trouble with cash that much. No, it. Come on. You can take it. Yeah, man. Alright. Thank you. For tomorrow, I have 2 videos coming. Yeah, I have 2 videos coming tomorrow. They're a little more creative than I usually do. Sorry if the footage is a little shaky, because you know Jamaica road bad, Kingston road's bad. Sometimes I like to express my creative side. So it's footage that hubby had taken of me during my birthday week in June, and I planned to put it together to do like a little video, like, oh, becoming 30, walking into 30, that type of vibe. It was like a really sexy vibe, just, you know, in the bushes, in the river, in the whatever. But it never worked out because obviously I didn't go back onto YouTube, and I just didn't get the time to really edit or anything like that. So now I decided to just kind of put little clips together and start like and do like a little, you know, thing where it's like more, it's called the Country Edit. And I also created an Instagram page, which I'll put right here so you guys can see what I'm starting with, and you can go and follow me, please. The Country Edit. I call it the Country Edit because I'm enjoying more and more to explore and like just find places. So I call it the Country Edit because it's just a piece of an entire thing, which is the country. And I don't want to limit it to just Jamaica, but right now that's where I am. So I'm in Jamaica. So it's gonna be just edits, pieces of where I go. So even if I go somewhere, it's not like the full scope of where I go, but it's a more creative take on where I've been, if you get what I'm saying. So it's just a little edit of it. It's not the entire thing. It's to inspire you guys to, what I post would be to inspire you guys to go out and see the full thing. It's just a piece of what what I'm showing you. So yeah, that's pretty much the vibe for the Country Edit. So it's just a little pet project that I have now. I'm trying to be more creative and do little things. It's 2 places that I've been, St. Mary and Portland, and I'm hoping, my dream would be to explore every single parish, because I haven't been to every single parish. Oh no, wait, I've been to every parish, but I haven't experienced every parish, you know. So yeah, that's just my little chit chat. Yeah. Hi guys, look at my hair. My hair is so long. We come from far, not true, Chantal?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, it's so long. You did a while ago, this is what you did.
Yeah, you can do a hop top bun, girl.
So we're gonna start braiding now. I want jumbo braids, so that's what I'm getting. Yeah, we're fun together. Shanti said I don't vlog at all.
No,
Most times that's, you know, says no, couple times when me kind of doze off. Yeah, but this is the hair, guys. You want to show them from the please? Just turn it this way.
turn this
Yeah,
the front.
yeah. So I'm happy. I just need to do my sides now. Alright guys, so my hair is done. You guys can see it's 1:47. To sanitize my hand. I barely vlogged in there according to Shanti's, but yeah, I just kind of did my hair and there were times I was dozing off. So I am running a little bit late now. It's 1:47 and my appointment for my nail. My tights tear. Yeah. My nail appointment is at 2 o'clock. At Adam and Eve, I'm in halfway through, so I need to reach there, but I need to get Starbucks first because we really want it. So I'm gonna grab that. They need to be done. It's a plum color that's on it. They need to be done. You can see. So oh, and I got this bracelet. I bought it for $2,000. This lady came in and it's so cute. Isn't that pretty? So you guys can see it. So pretty, right? I need to fix my sideburns when I go home because when I'm not at home I can't do my sideburns good, but when I'm at home I do them good. But this is what I did for the sideburns, so I wanted them to kind of be a little longer. So yeah, so we are off. I feel fresh, I feel new again. So I'm gonna go and just get my drink. If this man, sir, hurry up please. Him driving really slow. I'm not trying to be awful, but him drive really slow. Alright, thank you.
Oh, gold, Mr. Gold polish? Gold, yeah. Gold. Where is it? Oh, yeah. How the polish work out for your finger? You nobody know. For my toes, me can't. The toes, I don't know, but I tell you. Yeah, man, it really. You can see that. The only thing will get me. You see that finger here? Because I had to touch up the toes, but it accidentally come if you get something I want regular polish. Mess it up, but you see it, not bad.
Because it's like the gel polish, the gel like one.
Yeah, I think that it may. This is the same. This is gel like thing. I think that it may go though. I love this shape.
And that's it. So pretty. Thank you. Hey guys, so I am back home now. Closing out the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little follow me around fixing up my life vlog. Stay tuned to tomorrow's vlog. Well, tomorrow's 2 vlogs that I have up. They're not vlogs, they're just videos, but like I hope you guys like those ones tomorrow. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.
Hmm?